What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a battery, receiver and antennas in Raft. If you can't find the items in your crafting menu, then you will have to research them on the research table. Lastly, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Now let's start by crafting the receiver. To make one you will need 8 planks, 6 plastic, 2 circuit boards which are crafted with 1 plastic, 2 copper ingots and 1 vine glue which is made from burning seaweed, and 1 hinge which can be found in chests or crafted with 1 metal ingot. Craft your receiver in the navigation section of your crafting menu. Next we will make a battery with 1 copper ingot, 6 plastic and 3 scrap. This can be crafted in the resource section of your crafting menu. Lastly, for the antennas, you will need 4 scrap, 1 circuit board and 1 bolt, which you can craft with 1 metal ingot, or you can find it in island chests. If you want to know how to place these items and get them to work, then check out the video linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.